B. Hey. Okay. How you doing? Welcome and welcome again to Just D Things. I'm D, of course. If you're new here, hi. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you're not, hey, how y'all doing? This week, I really wanted to be like a week recuperation week, like a self-care week, because last week was super all over the place because of the market that I went to for my home bakery, and it took a lot out of me. Like, I pulled over 24-hour all-nighter, and that definitely was not the best thing to do. And so this week I would really like to just kind of recuperate and just kind of start doing more things outside of just working on my business stuff, just fun things as well as self-care things. So I hope you enjoy it. All right. Okay, as you can see, we're back outside, and last time that I did this, I honestly really had a good time. So I'm gonna start cooking outside. Nah, that was real satisfying, but that was so scary. I never want to do that again. We're gonna make noodles. Are the noodles I swear by. Listen, I'm not scared of bees, but it's kind of making me a little nervous. So I already have the water boiling. I have all my ingredients, all my utensils. I hope I have all of them this time, because last time I kept on having to go back inside, make sure to cut everything beforehand, grabbed a book because I'm trying to read more. And there's this book that I've been reading for a little bit, and I'm trying to finish it before it's due at the library so I can return it. I'm really bad at like getting the books and then finishing it and then having to return it. I usually have to just return it ahead of time, but this time I'm determined to finish reading this book, and so I'm gonna do that as well. Recently I've been moving on like autopilot the most. Oh wow, taking out my AirPods, I can hear so much better. It makes sense, but I didn't realize it until I did it. But anyways, I feel like I've been like overexerting myself for a fat minute now and kind of just running on autopilot and kind of just existing instead of living, and I don't like that. It sucks. It hurts. It feels weird and uncomfortable, and not like a good uncomfortable like you're trying new things, but like uncomfortable like I can change it. You know what I mean? I should change it so I can be better. So we're gonna spin the block. We're gonna try again. We're gonna do this again, and hopefully amazing things come out of it. Yeah. Only thing that I know I'm gonna be doing is hanging out with my friend. We're gonna bake together, so I'm excited for that. But other than that, it's pretty out there. I want to get my case because it's really bothering me that my AirPods are just raw dogging the table right now. But anyways, I'll be right back. Oh, this table's so cute. Show you just how much I don't go outside. I'm an extrovert, but I think especially because I'm out of school, graduated, and I'm not working right now because I quit September of last year, and so I've been doing my home bakery for the most part. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, I've been doing my home bakery for the most part. So it's just me right now, and you know, everybody else is doing their own thing, which is perfectly fine. I'm also doing my own thing, but they're much more busy because like my friends are either out of town, out of state, working, going to school. And I think when I used to work at my old job, that's kind of the most interaction. That's the most interaction that I have with people. So right now, it's just me, and that's okay. Hold on. If this hurts you, womp womp. No, don't cancel me, but if this is something, the bee just landed on my stand. Barry B. Benson, what are you doing here? Y'all remember that SpongeBob episode where Wormy, the butterfly, was there? What do you think you're doing? It's like roaming around the bottom of the stand. It's really weird to watch. I'd show you, but it's his phone now. Listen, the bee's just letting me use the phone. Yeah, no. But as I was saying, I'm uncomfortable. Oh man, I thought it was gonna fly away. I can't even pick up the stand to show you what I'm doing. Oh, okay, it flew away. Please don't come back. No, it's on my case. Oh shit, what's going on? No, it's on my case. What are you doing? Lord, please take the bee away, please. I beg of you. Now it's... pourquoi j'aime ça, c'est comme ça. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Oh, it's gone. Thank you, God. Listen, I am all for allowing the bugs to be bugs and do their own thing, but I will scream it. I will. Are you team just make the noodles how it comes, or are you team make that thing a gourmet meal? Let me know in the comments. I'm definitely team make that thing a gourmet meal. I have sesame seeds, honey. I have sriracha, even though it's already really spicy. I'm saying real spicy. I don't want to compare it to the prutak noodles, but it's definitely up there. It's absolutely up there. I have a strainer because the way that I make it, I don't like broth. I don't like broth when I have noodles. These type of noodles, anyways. If I go to like a ramen place and it's like those big bowls, I'll have the broth. But for the most part, I don't like noodles with broth and stuff like that. Also, not even to be like, first world problems. I can't find my remote. The remote for my camera, and I'm a little bummed about it. I'm sure I'll find it, but over the weekend I had my first market, as I mentioned, and I think it just kind of got lost in a bunch of stuff. I don't think I took it with me to the venue, but if I did, I'm probably not gonna get it back. But anyways, I have a white onion, green onion, cabbage, and corn, because I love me some corn. And then also I have 2 eggs, because I like to crack eggs into mine. You'll see. I'm not trying to be like, oh, I'm so quirky like with how I do mine, but I really like this method. I really thought this part was gonna be no talking. I was really gonna do a not ASMR, but kind of like a no talking. But as soon as I started talking. And then the bee showed up. So you know what? Content is content. All right, the noodles are good. I'm gonna strain them. Who's out there? That's my mom. Another bowl right here. And I'm gonna put the noodles on top of it just to let it chill there. You kind of have to work a little bit fast because the noodles will kind of get sticky on there, but that's besides the point. Okay, so now, it's gonna do the thing again that I don't like. There we go. I forgot the oil. I knew I'd forget something. Ugh. Get some garlic salt. It comes with a bunch of different seasoning packets, and we're gonna use it all. So it comes with, I cannot pronounce that, and I would rather not butcher it. Minyak oil, or just oil, peppers, bawang goreng. I'm not even gonna bother. But anyways, it comes with like a bunch of different seasoning packets. And even though I don't like to use the broth in the soup itself, I like to use the broth to loosen seasonings. First, before I start doing that, I'm gonna start sauteing the vegetables. Okay, now you're gonna take all the seasoning, put them in a bowl. Shake it, like hold it by the top and shake it, because some of the seasoning goes all the way to the top, and then when you open it, it'll get everywhere. Find the remote. Why you wanted to do me a favor? Hey, what are you doing? For what? You know how you wanted to do me a favor? You want to give me the scissors? Please, please. Enough, Incredible Hulk.
I will get it for you. If you get it pinched, if you get some air of that and then put it in.
I'm not putting the aloe vera in my thing.
No, get it like an air from it and then put it in.
No. Don't you dare. So in this knife block?
It's not in there.
Oh, okay.
Mom? Did you hear that child?
I hear people screaming here every day, man.
Wow.
I turned it off because my mom called me to go help her with the trash, and I switched out the butane can to see if that would help the flame be bigger. So
Wait, where's Mom?
Huh? Where's Mom?
Mom?
Honestly, it didn't do much, but it's in there now. Wait, actually, yeah, no, it's the same. Oh well, at least I know it's not the can. I take it back. I think switching out the can did help it. Oh yeah, it definitely did. Alright, I like this angle better. So while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna lower the temp a little bit just so it doesn't burn, but it's just gonna scramble. And then we get here's the seasoning in there. We're gonna get the chili oil that it came with.
I command this particular drop of hot sauce to be really, really hot.
It looks so good. Oh, I don't have a spoon or anything to use to eat it with. You can eat this like this. Like, I think that's a recipe in and of itself. So oh, it's so hot. You can taste the crunchiness in the corn. I would eat this with rice, or like a breakfast thing, which can still be with rice. So you're gonna take some of the broth, however much you want, but not too much, because like when you mix it, you still want it to be pretty thick, but not too little, that when you pour the noodles into it, it's not like super dry. You feel it? I'm gonna heat up to like a medium. This is what I meant by like doing it quickly, cause like I never stood a chance. Golly, this is a workout. Make like a lot so I can have some for like the next day. I love me some leftovers. Also comment in the comments, are you team I can only eat it for one day, or are you team leftovers is low-key better than the real deal? I know Thanksgiving food, it's usually like that. Like me personally, I love Thanksgiving food the day after, or like a day or two after, but I really do like leftovers, and maybe it's because it's just how I grew up. But even some people who grew up similar to me, like just having leftovers, which is not a bad thing at all, they don't like leftovers, and I'm like, that's really fascinating to see. All right, turn off the stove, and then add a little bit of honey. So slow. Ooh. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Go ahead every time. Oh my god, that was so good. And then you add the green parts of the green onion on top. That really hurt. Dang. Alright, I'm gonna go watch my video and then finish my book. Well, finish is kind of crazy, but we'll see how far we can get. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this cook and chat. Okay, bye.